Hey everybody, Gears here, and it's probably something I should have expected. I just started cleaning all this down. I vacuumed it first to get all the loose stuff up, and then I went through with a little Windex, I think, and started wiping everything down here. And just what you see here, including the inner bay and all of that back section, almost all of this back section, yielded this much dirt. And wow, some of that is really thick and nasty. So all of these parts were under plastic, which means 20 years of soot had just built up, and it's pretty freaking gross. So the good thing about doing this is that I'm not going to pull the carpets, I'm not going to pull this or that, but everything that I do pull is going to get cleaned, and just having that much less soot and everything inside the car is probably going to be that much better for me going forward. But yeah, just most of that area there, this top, the front side, inside that little bay, and the front of all of this, I didn't clean in there yet, gave that mess. Wow. I just vacuumed this carpet. It's looking better, but it's already got a lot of little dirt on it. And away I go. A few more things to pull out of the interior here. A lot more cleaning to do, that's for sure. And thanks for watching. See ya.